Here we are, another day, another dollar, another what, 5 cents in today's world. We came to get another car. It was a parts car that I had. It was a GTO 68. So Giuseppe's gonna back the truck up to the car and we're gonna drag that out of here. Come on, Heathcliff, come back.
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.
This is an actual 242 car. It's seen better days. It's a parts car. I use a lot of parts off. There's Heathcliff. Heathcliff. Can I call you that?
No.
You know who that is?
No.
You gotta figure it out. Hey, don't scratch it.
It used to be blue.
This was a pedal truck I started making here.
I know.
And then I stopped. You had another one I made you.
Well, this was like a, what was it? The testing
like
stuff.
a cab over. I don't know, fooling around with some new tools.
And then you made a new one.
It's embarrassing.
Why is it embarrassing? I don't know, because it's like a 57.
Hey, listen.
Okay.
This car, I got the bucket seats, my 51 Chevy Gasser.
Yep.
And I'm building. I was building for a while. I got the clutch pedal and the pedal assembly from this car. I put it in that. I got the steering column for
real GTO
for a floor shifter. I think it's well. I had the clutch pedal, the 4-speed car. Yeah, you know what I'm saying. All right.
Everything that was in the trunk for this car, I basically took out and put it in park. Yeah, he got some
door panels. I think a possum.
No, he's okay in here.
All right, yo.
No,
my truck's getting impatient.
That was Jimmy back in 1980. No.
Jimmy, Coco Pop. Jimmy Pop.
Alright, give me some slack.
Jimmy Coco Pop. Jimmy yo. Jimmy Coco Puff. Jimmy Run. That's not run. I don't think it's run. Jimmy Coco Puff. Jimmy Sleep. Jimmy Eat. Jimmy
Bye.
Go. Jimmy Coco Puff. Jimmy Run. No. Yeah, I know you got a couple of trees growing into this sucker.
No, that's a rock. That's a boulder.
It'll go. Don't worry about it.
Bro,
It'll be fine.
The rear axle.
It'll be fine. It'll be fine.
Let's hope so.
That's a posi rear.
Bro, it's touching the rear axle, that rock.
Yeah?
Yeah. Oh. I'm in a groundhog hole. There we go. Oh boy. Can I even put the hook? Leroy, can you see the rock under here? Come here. Go all the way to the front and hits the back side of the rear axle.
It'll be all right. Pull. Jimmy Coco Puff. Pedal?
I hope I got it.
This pedal?
Let's hope I got it.
Oh.
Ooh, that's a problem.
Something be making some noises. And I don't like it. Jimmy Coco Puff. Jimmy Rob. Look at the size of that. Oh man. Look at it. That's what we're stuck on.
You see that rock?
It is
Bro.
nice, big, man.
Look at this. Was that there when you put the
I
car
bet you
here?
there's somebody out there that's looking for something like this.
Outside you guys 29.95.
They'll be fine. See, even me, back in the day, I was like a muscle car. Big muscles, I was jacked. And now I got old and I got fat. All right, be gentle, Justin. You got it hooked up, okay? Jimmy Coco Puff. Jimmy Eat.
I can't believe
it's something obvious. Dance. I think it's dance.
I don't know what it is. Look at the
I think it's dance. All right, come on, let's go.
How do you know what you're singing?
It's a 50s song.
Let's go. All right, Bob, come on, get in the passenger seat.
This is a 4-link car. This got coil springs. Doesn't have leads. Did you know that?
I did know that.
That's how you know you got a good cigar. Look. And it'll keep going. It'll keep cranking. That's how you know you got a good cigar. Kiki Momo. Good stuff. I'm telling you. Who's that? Yo! Well, that's that. I mean, he left. He left me here. At least I got a good cigar though. Look, not like those other ones. They got like stones inside. You're puffing and puffing. It's a rock. It's not gonna do nothing. All right, before he leaves me here, let's go. I forgot to say something. What? Jeff, where are you going?
Oh boy, we did forget, didn't we?
You look worried.
Well, the body is just sitting on the frame. It's not bolted, so. But it'll be fine.
It'll be fine. It'll be fine.
It's got a couple of vines holding everything.
The frame's kind of heavy. The frame won't go nowhere.
No, because it's, you know, chained up.
No, it won't go nowhere. It'll be all right. There's a whole bunch of vines holding the whole thing together, too. All right, come on. Let's hurry up. Get back. Get these people out of the way. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. What are you doing? Get on the road, you know?
Careful. So here we are. You know what? Should I check the oil?
This thing runs on oil and has gas for fun. Maybe you better look.
I think this thing is more of a two-stroke than a chainsaw. Just to show you, we keep a can of oil all the time.
You knew that, right? If you check a car that runs on oil like this thing and check the compression, let's say it's like 140 pounds normally, 120. Let's be more realistic, you know what I'm saying? If it burns oil, if the rings are bad, it'll have like 140 pounds because the oil's in there and it seals it. That's why it's got so much power. It's got horsepower coming out of his ass.
That popping sound is not compression, that's a backfire.
The hiccup, it's drunk.
Well, here's what's happening.
You got oil? I don't even know.
It doesn't, check it. Here's what's happening. We have to move the Super Beetle into the foreign car section. We gotta move that green machine and we're gonna put the GTO in that nook.
Okay.
So do me a favor, can you get a cylinder block so
you might have to move
so it levels off the car?
You gotta move your truck over right there.
What, dump truck?
Yeah, I think you gotta go a little wider.
I'll put it somewhere else if I have. That's
okay.
fine. You need a rock? No, block.
Okay, block, rock, stone, whatever.
He's like a baby sometimes. I gotta redo it.
All right, guys. Move. All right, down. Move. Go ahead. Ready? That's it. See? Magic touch. Put it next to that green machine. Hey, Heathcliff. I don't think there's brakes, is there?
There's no brakes.
That's right. That's why you look funny.
It's
Stopping
okay.
it.
It's fine. The plow. It's perfect.
If I'm not wrong, your Jeep don't have brakes either.
No, it
That
doesn't.
You plow. The one
I
to
never
plow.
pushed that pedal once since I was 3.
That's hilarious.
Isn't it?
Does this have brakes?
Truck?
Yeah.
No. Of course it has brakes.
I sure hope so.
The GTO might too.
Mannaggia quella puttana di
Well, can we do it now?
No. Go get a paint. Get a paint. You
I don't
got
have a paint.
Get a thing. Get a hubcap. Anything. I don't know. What do we got? I'm good.
Rescue.
I got it. I got it.
A hubcap.
No, leave it. The other wheel.
We're gonna hook it up to the Ford and pull the bed back. It'll slide it off.
No. What are you doing? Don't forget about it. Where did you see this stupid trick?
You, Leroy Patchen, and will you?
Trying to see. Jimmy, Papa. Jimmy. Okay, bring the bed up. Keep going. Let's see if you got it, pal. Hey, that's the way we tow cars. I'm done with this one.
Do me a favor, hit the winch.
How long?
Keep going. Jimmy Cocoa Puff. Jimmy Kiki Momo Cigar.
Is it? Taking over the world. It's done. I did it already. That's it, it's done.
One set of Jimmy
Nope,
Cocoa Puffs
nope.
at a time.
I still can't figure it out. Jimmy Giuseppe.
No.
Jimmy Giuseppe.
No.
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.